Alright guys, so here is my review of the weebill-s. Now, I spent the last like 6 hours with it, and personally speaking, it's not my cup of tea. Now, I was really excited about this concept because I thought it was going to be really cool. Like, for example, I can go ahead and bam, turn it on, and then go like this, and then bam, look. Oh yeah, it buzzes like a crazy man. And if you're not careful, what it does is it will go ahead, and if you go low like that, it will flip your camera. And if you have any kind of big lens on this camera, you will smash your lens and break your lens. Luckily, my lens I have on this is not that big, so it did not go ahead and break it. But it's very possible to break your lens with this gimbal. Now, let me go ahead and explain first off. First off, in order to balance any gimbal, not just this one, it does take a very long time to do. It's not a very easy process. It's a very frustrating process. It's a very long process. You use a lot of going back and forth, just nudging a little bit forward, nudging it back, nudging it forward. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, just like that, guys. And there's 3 different things to stabilize on this. First off, you're going to stabilize the arm right here on the right. You're going to stabilize the back motor. And then finally, this motor down here. There's 3 different motors you go ahead and stabilize. Now, let's talk about hardware, okay? So, build quality, this thing is a tank. I love the build quality. It's very heavy. By the way, guys, just first off right away, if you guys have never held a gimbal, go hold one at Best Buy or something, or whatever you can get one. Because this thing is actually pretty heavy. It actually makes your arm a little bit tired after a little while. It's only like, I think, 10-15 pounds, which is not that bad because, of course, the camera is what's adding all the weight plus the gimbal. But, again, keep in mind that if you're holding this all day long, your arm's going to get tired very quickly doing this, okay? That's just a key fact. Second off, though, with this gimbal is that build quality is amazing. I give build quality an A, okay? Overall quality, and I think that's the real issue. So first off, as I said, I have changed some settings. I don't know if I got a default unit, if I got a broken unit, I don't know. But I changed some settings, tried to fix stuff around, to try to fix, the issue with the buzzing. And based on what I've seen on YouTube and videos on talking about this subject, that they went ahead and fixed the buzzing, I could not fix the buzzing. Second off, again, when you go low, you can flip that thing so quickly around and smash your lens. That's number 2 is bad, which really kind of sucks because it literally comes, as you guys can see right here, it literally comes with a handle. It's a tripod mount at the very bottom, right? This can go ahead and be screwed onto here, and now you can actually literally hold it like that, and when you're going for low shots, right? So it's actually a really cool idea to go for low shots because of that. But overall, it's just not, it does not work as well. It really does not work, and it glitches out and practically almost breaks your camera. Now, there are different modes and sets on this gimbal that's really cool. Of course, on the side, we have point forward, and we have L. Forget exactly what the names are for the L. But anyway, though, so there are some settings, and then, of course, if you hit trigger, it does follow. So the trigger right here does follow. Let me go ahead and show you guys. It does follow. So, again, I'm not sitting here saying, like, 100% don't go out buy the gimbal. A gimbal. There's probably a lot of good gimbals out there. And again, I might have just got a faulty unit or a defaulty unit. I don't know. I mean, honestly, I have no idea. And I'll probably never know because I'm probably never going to buy a gimbal again. This will probably be my last gimbal I buy for that reason. Again, I thought it would be a cool concept, set it up and then just go ahead and do that. Again, the setup process is not what I'm, like, angered about or, like, oh my god, it's been me an hour doing this setup. I don't really care about spending time doing a setup. I'll spend 6 hours setting something up if that's what it takes, right? It's the, in most situations, I feel like I'm a very patient person. But the issue is, again, is that the software is the glitchy part. And, I mean, there's probably some workarounds for the software to try to fix it and make it better. But I have not found anything yet. Because everything I've tried to fix the software with, I have been unsuccessful. So, again, guys, my personal opinion... Oh, access locked. Yeah, you gotta make sure to unlock all accesses before you do this. And you can see right here, I spent an hour balancing this, and it's unbalanced again. I don't understand. I literally spent an hour balancing this, perfecting this, and then I use it one time, and you have to rebalance it every single time. So again, as I was saying though, just a key thing is that, you know, software-wise, I'm going to give this thing probably a 5. Now, I've seen some other people on YouTube reviewing this saying that, you know, the locks on these mechanisms break after a very short amount of time, and then you can't lock them anymore. And I'll say one thing, I've not had it break on me yet, but what I will say about these mechanisms, these little lock mechanisms, is that when I was balancing it, they easily go back and forth. Like, at first, it's like a struggle to unlock the lock. You literally have to like almost break your nail to get that thing unlocked. After that, half the time when I'm balancing it, randomly, it just locks again. And I think it's because the mechanism is not... It's like once you unlock it for the first time, it's very loose. It's a very loose, you know, back and forth type of fit. And again, I don't like it. I think it's really... It's almost like... It's weird. It's like... It feels like it's high quality made and cheaply manufactured. Like cheaply software, cheaply a lot of other stuff. So again, my personal opinion, I'm going to give it an L. I'm going to say I'm going to give it a 0 out of 10. I can't even give it a 1 because I could not get this thing to actually work properly for me. And again, maybe you guys down below are, you know, using this and it's worked properly for you. But I've not seen as many people use these in daily life like, you know, other YouTubers. So this might be why. Might be. But overall, guys, I'm going to stick with just the hand holding. I know I'm a little shaky. I'm not 100% when it comes to hand holding cameras. But I'm not trying to break my camera. This is a $2,000 A7 III. So I'm not trying to break it. So, guys, that's my review of this Weebill-s. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.